Hi, welcome back to the Schuylkill River Valley. I'm John. This is just a quick reminder video that episode 3 of the Community Roundhouse will premiere tomorrow night. That's Wednesday, March 18th at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We have a great show lined up for you with a fantastic guest, Digger Evans, all the way from the UK. And we have a new member of the Community Roundhouse team. But we have had to make a change. This episode was originally scheduled to premiere on Vinny's channel, BNSF 6951. But I'm real sorry to report that our cuz is back in the hospital. And he asked that we move Community Roundhouse over here to my channel. So we're real sorry about the 11th hour change of venue. And we ask that everybody keep Cousin Vinny in your thoughts and prayers that he get back home real soon. So once again, Community Roundhouse Episode 3, tomorrow night, 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, right here on the Schuylkill River Valley. And cuz, we all want you to get out of that hospital real soon. That's no place to be.